Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today is our first day of our 100 Days Coding Challenge. In this 100 Days Coding Challenge, we will learn 100 different programming projects. I will work hard every day for completing all this 100 projects. Every day you get one project. Our today's project is on number guessing game. We create this project by using Python language. So let's begin. First, we import the random module. This line imports a built-in Python module called random. It provides functions for working with random numbers, which we'll use to generate the secret number. Second, we want to generate a random number, secret number, random dot random 100. This line creates a random integer between 1 and 100 inclusive and stores it in the variable secret number. This will be the number the player has to guess. Now, set the number of guesses, that is guesses left, 10. This line initializes a variable called guesses left with the value 10, representing the number of guesses the player gets. Now we want to welcome the player. Print, welcome to the number guessing game. This line prints a welcoming message to the player when the game starts. Print, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100. This line provides a hint about the range of numbers the player needs to consider. Now create guessing loop while guesses dot left greater than 0. This starts a while loop that continues as long as the player has guesses left. Within the loop, print F, you have guesses left, guesses left. This line informs the player of how many guesses they have remaining. Guess darks int input, guess a number. This line prompts the player to enter their guess and converts their input to an integer, storing it in the guess variable. If guess arg secret art number. This if statement checks if the player's guess is correct. If it is, the following lines are executed. Print, congratulations, you guessed the number. This prints a congratulatory message. Break. This exits the while loop, ending the game. Elif guess, secret number. If the guess is too low, this block of code runs. Print, too low, guess a higher number. This prompts the player to guess a higher number. Else, if the guess is not correct and not too low, it must be too high. Print, too high, guess a lower number. This prompts the player to guess a lower number. Guesses left, 1. This line decrements the guesses left variable by 1, indicating that the player has used one of their guesses. Now come out of guesses if guesses dot left equals 0. If the loop ends without a correct guess, meaning guesses at left has reached 0, this block of code runs. Print, you ran out of guesses, the number was secret number. This message indicates that the player has lost and reveals the secret number.